Welcome back to SSB Simplified, the one-stop destination for all your SSB interview preparation. Today, we are going to cover an important lecturette topic that has frequently been asked in SSB interviews. The topic that we are going to cover today are the foreign defense investments in the defense sector. Now, for better understanding of the topic, I've divided it into different parts. First is the introduction. Then we will understand the current scenario of the defense sector in India. Then we will go through some policy changes, understand the opportunities and challenges, and go through some case studies. Lastly, we will conclude the topic, and at the end, I've prepared a lecturette for you guys which you can directly use in your SSB interview. Introduction. Foreign direct investment in the defense sector has been a topic of interest for India in recent years. With increasing global tensions and the need to modernize its armed forces, India is looking to attract foreign investment in this sector. This presentation aims to provide an overview of FDI in the defense sector in India, including the current state of the sector, recent policy changes, opportunities and challenges, and case studies from other countries. Current scenario of the defense sector in India. The defense sector in India is primarily dominated by state-owned enterprises, which have struggled to keep up with the rapidly evolving technological landscape. This has resulted in delays and cost overruns in major defense projects. Additionally, the sector faces challenges such as inadequate funding, outdated equipment, and a shortage of skilled personnel. FDIs can help address these challenges by bringing in much needed capital, technology, and expertise. FDI in defense sector policy changes. In 2014, the Indian government raised the FDI limit in the defense sector from 26% to 49%. This was further increased to 74% in 2021, with the caveat that the majority of the board of directors and the chief executing officer must be Indian citizens. These policy changes are aimed at attracting foreign investment and promoting indigenous manufacturing of defense equipment. They also allow the technology transfer and joint ventures, which can help India build a defense industry. Now let us go through the opportunities and challenges. FDI in the defense sector represents several opportunities for India, including job creation, increased exports, and the development of a robust defense industry. However, it also poses challenges in terms of national security. There are concerns about the transfer of insensitive technology to foreign companies, as well as the potential for these companies to have undue influence over the India's defense policies. It is important for the government to strike a balance between promoting FDI and safeguarding national security interests. Let us go through some case studies about different countries. Several countries have successfully attracted FDI in their defense sectors, including the United States, Israel, France, and for example, Boeing and Lockheed Martin have formed joint ventures with Indian companies to manufacture defense equipment. These case studies provide valuable lesson for India, such as the importance of creating a favorable regulatory environment, promoting technology transfer, and encouraging collaboration between domestic and foreign companies. In conclusion, FDI in the defense sector can play a crucial role in modernizing Indian armed forces and promoting economic growth. However, it is important for the government to strike a balance between promoting FDI and safeguarding national security interest. By learning from successful case studies and creating a favorable regulatory environment, India can attract foreign investment and build a strong defense industry that serves both its economic and national security interests. Gentlemen, now that we have understood the topic, let us go through the lecturette. Ladies and gentlemen, today I stand before you to shed light on a topic of utmost importance for our nation's progress and security: the foreign direct investment in the defense sector in India. Over the years, India has been striving to strengthen its defense capabilities and achieve self-reliance in the field of defense manufacturing. The introduction of FDI in the defense sector has played a crucial role in this pursuit. FDIs refer to investments made by foreign companies or entities in the domestic economy of another country. In the case of India, FDI in the defense sector refers to foreign companies investing in the production, development, and modernization of defense equipment and technologies within our country. The decision to allow FDI in the defense sector was a bold and strategic move by the Indian government. It has opened doors for international collaboration, technological transfer, and increased investment, thus contributing to the growth and modernization of our defense capabilities. This step has created opportunities for indigenous defense manufacturers to learn from global players and enhance their skills and leverage advanced technologies. One of the key advantages of FDI in the defense sector is the inflow of capital. Foreign investments must provide financial resources required for research and development, infrastructure development, and capacity building. This infusion of funds enables the defense industry to innovate, upgrade its manufacturing facilities, and acquire advanced machinery and technology. The result is an improvement in the quality and quantity of defense equipment produced in India. Additionally, FDI in the defense sector promotes the exchange of knowledge and expertise. Collaboration with foreign companies allows the use of transfer of technology, technical know-how, and best practices. This transfer of technology benefits the indigenous defense industry, which can then develop and manufacture state-of-the-art defense systems. Such collaborations also foster joint research and development efforts, leading to the creation of cutting-edge technology and products. Moreover, FDI in the defense sector has a positive impact on employment generation and skill development. The establishment of defense manufacturing units, joint ventures, and technology hubs create job opportunities for skilled and semi-skilled workers. This in turn contributes to the overall socio-economic development of the country. Furthermore, the exposure of the advanced technologies and global best practices enhance the skill set of the workforce, making them more competitive in the international market. While FDI in the defense sector brings numerous benefits, it is essential to ensure that the interests of our nations remain safeguarded. The Indian government has put in place robust policies and regulations to ensure strategic control, security, and indigenous of the defense sector. Stringent measures are in place to scrutinize foreign investment for national security concerns and protect sensitive defense technology. In conclusion, the introduction of FDI in the defense sector has played a vital role in strengthening India's defense capabilities. It has brought in capital, technology, and expertise, fostering growth, innovation, and self-reliance. By collaborating with global players, we have the opportunity to become a hub of defense manufacturing and emerge as a major exporter of defense equipment. However, it is crucial to maintain a balance between attracting FDI and safeguarding our national interest. With a well-regulated framework, FDI in the defense sector can continue to be a catalyst for our nation's progress, ensuring a secure and self-reliant future. Thank you. Lastly, thank you for watching, and if you learned something new, like the videos and make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss relevant updates. Also, check out our other videos and feel free to comment down any suggestions on how we can improve our content.